CarCube specializes in personalized, custom silicone wristbands with an NFC reading functionality. Our wristband workshop was established in 2016, and we now have 9 years of production experience. We offer over 200 styles for customers to choose from, with a dedicated molding room that can produce custom mold based on 3D designs. The silicone raw materials we use are colorless, odorless, and food grade, certified by RFID standards, ensuring they are completely safe for human use. After color matching and proportionate rubber mixing, the silicone is cut and undergoes high-temperature vulcanization, resulting in the finished silicone wristbands. These are then passed to the next stage, 4. Personalized customization through processes, such as silk screen printing, heat transfer printing, water transfer printing, laser engraved, and color filling. Silk screen printing can print logos in 1, 2, or 3 colors. Heat transfer and water transfer printing allow for multi-pattern, mixed color logos with full coverage. Laser engraving with color filling etches and fills ink into the surface of the wristband, prolonging the lifespan of the logo. After trimming, visual inspection, functional testing, weighing, bagging, labeling, and packaging, the wristbands are ready for shipment.